it's day 3 of our Wayanad trip, and today we are heading to.
Banasura Sagar Dam.
After that, we'll be heading to another lake which is nearby. We'll let you know the name, but before that, we'll be heading to have a breakfast. So we have now come to this place called Maman's Food Court on our way to Banasura Sagar Dam. We thought we'd just quickly grab something because we are really hungry, and we have ordered dosas, ghee roast dosas for both of us. Looks fine. I'll taste it and let you know how it is. Decent. So we are just done with our breakfast now, finally heading to Banasura Sagar Dam. The breakfast was really nice. This place is called Maman's Food Court. So if you are traveling from Kalpetta to Banasura Sagar Dam, you'll definitely spot this place. It falls on your left. So if you also want to have breakfast or probably lunch or dinner, you can definitely opt for this place. So now we have entered Banasura Sagar Dam. Behind you can just see there's the entrance area from where we got our tickets. There are two ways to go to the top. One is you can probably just walk and take a stroll towards the main dam area, and then there is jeeps available as well. So we have opted for the jeep service. So we are just heading to the place from where we can get our jeeps. Yes. So now you can see that I'm into a tempo traveler. So this will take us up to the dam area. So finally we have reached Banasura Sagar Dam. What we have read that this is the second largest earthen dam in Asia, and it looks really pretty from here. We took our van and it dropped us over here, and now we are heading towards our left. We'll just take a stroll over there. We'll definitely show you what's there. It looks quite pretty and amazing, and then we'll go to the right, which is more well groomed and well manicured area. That's what we could see. There's more garden area over there, and probably also do some activities like boat riding or a speedboat riding. We also read many things, so let's see what all things we can explore. We'll definitely take you through. So we are walking towards the left side of the dam, and there's nothing much, but it's quite a pretty walk. And now we'll be heading to the right side and explore that part of the dam. So now we are in the other side of this Banasura Sagar Dam. It is quite pretty. You have lawns, good children's play area. There is a fish spa as well, and further ahead you also have a boating area wherein you can just go for boat rides. At the moment only speedboats are working, and we just reached there say just before 1 o'clock. However, it was completely booked until 1:30, and then they have already taken a break, a lunch break, so we couldn't go for our speedboat ride because it will only resume by 2:30 going forward. However, there's quite a lot to just look around, and you can just hang out over here. There are pretty well maintained parks, even swings are there. I'll just show that to you. Here you can probably see someone enjoying on this swing, and yes, it's quite fun. Like, you can just have come here for an hour or two and spend some good quality time over here. So So just behind me, if you can see, there is a zip line experience as well. This is something what you can also opt for other than the boat rides and doing some other park activities at the children's play area. One small tip, if you are coming to this place, and if you also wish to do zip line, I would suggest just take one-way ticket for the jeep, which will drop you to the top, and then while going back you can take the zip line back, because the end point of this zip line is the starting point of the dam. So it's on you. It's quite a chilled out experience over here, so it's definitely recommended to come over here if you are in Wayanad. So now we are at Karlad Lake. This is say around 8 to 10 kilometers from Banasura Sagar Dam. Here we have lined up and planned some interesting activities like zip lining and kayaking. Let's see how it goes. Really looking forward to all these activities. So I'm ready for the zip line activity. Really looking forward to this. I'll definitely let you know how the experience was once I reach over there. So just done with the zipline. It was a very good experience. It is definitely recommended for everyone. Whoever is coming to Karlad Lake over here, firstly it goes from above the water, so that's another experience that you don't get to do at other zip lines. So this is definitely recommended. So that's where I finished the zip line, and now to go back to the main spot from where we started, we get a boat ride, because you travel quite a bit of distance. So from here you get a rowboat ride which takes you back to the base. So now we are kayaking over here. Okay, I'll try to kayak with one hand. So now she is going to let us know our kayaking experience. Yeah.
It was nice. It was very nice.
Our kayaking experience was fun. We definitely suggest everyone who comes to Banasura Sagar Dam, after that, do keep a couple of hours for yourself to come to Karlad Lake, because the experiences are nice and it is less crowded, so you get to enjoy even more. So this is definitely recommended. So this is a very unique phenomena what we are trying to capture over here. I don't know if you guys can see right now where I'm standing, it's absolutely no rain, but just say over there it's raining. It's raining over there, but here it's nothing. It's not raining over here. A very unique thing what we just saw. Okay, so we are back at Maman's food court. Earlier we had a breakfast over here, and now after going to Karlad Lake and Banasura Sagar Dam, we thought, okay, let's come back and taste the food over here. So we have been recommended to have chicken mandi, and it looks absolutely delish. And I'll probably just taste it and let you know how it tastes. Seems nice. Probably once you mix everything together it will taste better. Right now I just had a spoon of rice, so let's see. We'll let you know how it tastes actually. So we are just done with our late lunch. As I said, we went to this place called Maman's food court. We had chicken mandi. Now it is kind of a biryani, but according to me, if you are having a roasted chicken along with say fried rice, that's how it tastes. So decent enough, but I am a fan of someone, you know, rice has its own flavors, and you know the chicken flavor comes into the rice. Like a proper biryani guy I am. In fact, we both love to eat biryanis. Nevertheless, now we are heading back to our hotel. Probably we'll take some rest, and then we'll see what to do in the later part of the evening. Because it's also raining quite heavily. I just hope the weather opens up from here on. So if the weather doesn't play a spoil sport, we should be good to go to probably explore some local places or maybe some markets or something, if there are any. We are yet to get that sort of an information for ourselves. So let's see how it goes from here. Okay, so we just stepped out to buy few things. We have bought some kind of unnecessary things. That's what we think. I got myself a trimmer. We got some chocolates, some face masks, and here's one really funny sounding shopping center here in Wayanad in Kalpetta called Jam Joom. So we just thought we'll just check this place out, and comparatively it's a nice place. You have got all the essentials over here, so in case if you have nothing to do on one fine evening, you can probably look at just visiting this place. Now we are just going to some place wherein we can find some good chai and puffs. So let's see if we are able to find that place or not. Now we kind of strolled for almost half an hour. We went to one bakery called Chungat Bakery. We went to Indian Coffee House. We went to another place. I'm not sure how do you pronounce that, but it's called Becho, if I'm not wrong. We couldn't find a proper coffee place which also serves some snacks which we want. Okay, so we are particularly looking for puffs because small bakeries here in Kerala, they have some really amazing and delicious puffs. So we were looking for that, and hence we went hunting for that, but we haven't found that. But the owner at that place called Becho, they have suggested us to try out walnut cakes. They might have some good coffee and some good snacks to go with. So let's see. We're heading to that place. If we find nothing like it. So finally we have found a place which has puffs, and there was just this one last puff left. So actually after that small shopping spree, we thought, okay, let's have some coffee, chai and puffs, because Kerala is known for puffs. The smaller bakeries over here, they serve some amazing puffs. We thought, chalo, let's go and check some places out. We went to almost 4 to 5 places. Either the puffs were over or they didn't serve puffs. Finally, after strolling around, we have finally found this place. This place is called Aksa Bakes. They had this one last puff remaining, and we are so happy. Now finally we'll be able to have the puff along with chai and coffee. So finally, our eventful third day of this Wayanad series comes to an end. Oh, it was really amazing, right from kayaking to ziplining to the magnificent Banasura Sagar Dam, and concluding it with Matta Puffs. It was really amazing. If you're liking our content, please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps, and it'll definitely help us grow. And in case if you have any suggestions, please do put that out via comments. See you.